Hi everyone, my name is Noora and I'm a recent graduate from Motivalogic Academy. I did my course in DevOps Engineering, and I first heard about the course and the academy from a friend who completed theirs and landed a really good position in a good company. So as I was looking for something new and flexible, I decided to give this a try, and 100% it was worth the time and the money and the effort. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy, but it's definitely doable with a little bit of determination and the ability to see things through. But the huge plus is that you don't need a background in tech. They will just teach you everything from scratch. And yeah, I got really good feedback about my skills during interviews and landed a nice position fairly quickly after graduating. So they definitely know what they're doing. It works. And yeah, I highly recommend.